What did you do, Benji?
I tried it.
Oh, it's alright, Shay, don't worry.
I tore it.
Yeah, he opened a domino. Let's see if it's one you don't have. Buzz Lightyear?
Oh, wait, do we have Lightyear already? Buzz Lightyear?
Do you?
No, we don't. Wow, number one.
One, two. What's that card? Oh, this card Wally.
There you go, Ben. Some more. Now, Ratatouille, the chef. He's a chef. Look at his hat.
And
Whoa, what? Who is this? I don't even know. It's called Bear Triplets.
oh, that's triplet.
Who's that?
I got
I think that's from Distributor Me. No, that's from me. Who?
Mr.
From Toy Story.
Pickle Pants?
Oh, who is this? This guy's name is called Carl, and he's from the movie Carl, the movie Up. Oh, we have the same one.
That's probably going to happen more and more, Benji.
Yeah, we're gonna put this in here. Ah, we have the mouse. His name is Remy from Ratatouille. No, look again.
There's the mouse.
What number is it? Yes, so we've got 24, 25, 26.
Next to this one, that.
Oh, we've got the same one. Linguini, it's hot property here. Oh, Benji. It's you.
Dog!
His name is Russell and he's from Up. Ooh, I think we might have this one already. You are. Sophie, don't worry, we're coming for you soon. So
You aren't forgotten, darling. But this is your chance to tear the house apart while Benji isn't watching. Play with all his toys.
ooh,
Pig.
What number is the pig?
what number is the pig?
5. Well, 5.
Whoopsies! Oh, we have another.
It's matches. Nice.
Oh, we have another.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. I think they're all from the same batch, eh?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Again.
I should have gone to a different Woolies.
Ah.
Yeah. It's next to this one. It's next to this one.
Oh, same. And we've got the last one. Ooh. Oh, I think we have that one too.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Alright.
Well, that's okay. That's it.
All gone.
All gone.
Yeah, we can
All
do, Benji. We can put all of them in here for now.
Yeah.
And then maybe there's like an online forum where I can like trade them.
There is actually.
Is there?
Yeah, in Werribee, of course.
Nice.